how to use QuickBooks for auto repair shop. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can use QuickBooks for auto repair shop. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So to use QuickBooks for auto repair shop, what you have to do is first track your expenditure. Because at the end of the day, your auto repair shop's expenditure is what makes or breaks your business. Keeping a close eye on how much money you're bringing in and your definite expenses allows you to more efficiently manage your finances. So, QuickBooks can help you track where every dime is spent and ensure that no funds are being misused with the click of a button. Second, analyze past income. If we don't learn from our history, we're bound to repeat it. If you want to increase your profits, you have to analyze your past income. Before making a financial plan for the future, it's extremely important to understand your profits from the previous years so you can see what needs to be tweaked. This can be done by adding up all your invoices to review your revenue. Third, assess profitability. QuickBooks integration with AutoLeap allows easy access and customization options for all financial records from a profit and loss report, a balance sheet report, and a statement of cash flow. Fourth, prepare taxes. QuickBooks helps easily create relevant categories and automatically split your expenses in their respective slots. These reports are accessible on the go and can be downloaded for future use. Fifth, access support. QuickBooks also offers additional support with their accounts in the form of a QuickBooks expert to manage your bookkeeping for you. So that's how you can use QuickBooks for auto repair shop. That's all for this video.